Hey friends, let's talk about Redmi S2, top features, specifications, expected price in India, launch date and other features. Xiaomi launched its first Redmi S-series smartphone, the Redmi S2, on 10th May at an event in China. The most talked feature of the smartphone is a 16 megapixel front-facing camera with an AI capability. Xiaomi says that it is the best Redmi selfie phone. Apart from the unique camera hardware, the device has plenty of offers. The first and the most impressive feature of a device is the front-facing camera. The 16 megapixel front-facing camera that the device comes with has a 2 micropixel size, which is larger than the pixel size usually found in the front-facing camera of the other smartphone. So how does the large pixel size benefit? It helps the camera to capture more light, resulting in a better detail and therefore a better overall image. Hopefully, Redmi S2 will have a better low light image quality compared to the other smartphones. The second most impressive feature of Redmi S2 is a dual camera setup at the back. The dual camera setup has a 16 megapixel sensor and a 5 megapixel sensor. The 5 megapixel sensor helps the camera capture images with a bokeh effect. We have already seen the bokeh effect from the Mi A1. And the Redmi S2 is expected to perform the same way, if not better. The camera also has a face detection, autofocus and a dual tone LED flash. The third most impressive feature of the device, the Redmi S2 comes with a 5.99-inch IPS LCD display featuring bezel-less design. The bezel-less design makes the device compact and also give it a modern and a premium look. The fourth most impressive feature is that the device came with a dedicated slot for 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card. It's not a big feature but definitely a much needed one. People in India tend to buy a low storage smartphone for an initial low investment and later expand the storage with a SD card, but at the same time they also need 2 working network on a phone, and this is where smartphone with hybrid SIM slot fails. The Redmi S2 fulfills the essential need of the people. The fifth most impressive feature of the device is its software. The Redmi S2 has Android 8.1 Oreo OS with MIUI 9.5 customization. The MIUI 9.5 packs plenty of features such as dual app locker, calendar and Indian holiday messenger app with the capability to find out the spam and highlights OTPs. Remote app with support for Indian applications, custom themes, second space, Wi-Fi password sharing and many others. For the price, very few smartphone has additional features over the stock Android UI. Some other features and hardware specification of Redmi S2. Apart from the discussed feature, Redmi S2 comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 SoC paired with a 4GB of RAM and choices of 32GB and 64GB of storage. The device is backed up by 3080 mAh battery, which should be capable for providing a whole day battery backup. The device also have a real mounted fingerprint sensor. Now let's talk about the price and expected launch date in India. In China, the device costs 999 yuan, approximately 10,575 for the base variant, and 1300 yuan, approximately 13,750 for the high-end variant. Although if the device launched in India, it will come with a price tag of 11,999 for the base version and 14,999 for the top-end variant. So far, there hasn't been any news on the launch date of the device. Stay tuned on Techyy Guys for the latest updates and launch date of the phone.